Maharajani Wanchongmung, ini jeng yapre Khulaikha, Khumulwng, ini Northeast Small Finance Bank, ini branch opening Khulaikha. Mahake cara Tripura ada branch Khumulwng Northeast Small Finance Bank. Sini Ttaadc by MU signing Khulaikha. Sini Tripura Lukurongno jeng banking service ni bisite bekarongno jeng loan lonani bagoi jeng process khlainai sak khanai. Piaba tabok jeng kahangke saime ko sebab besuk manai besuk jana roi manai omo tabok khana jeng khaime ko ani ke jeng maximum lukurongno jeng benefit khainai ni bagoi jeng yapre Khulaikha jeni bobagrani bisite khainai salo jeng bank ni bisite besuk benefit ma abo jeng department wise loan ni byabostha bo jeng thinang hamkrai hne jeng chaluk khainai hai hne jeng agreement khalaijak Inang hamkrai bisingti ARDD fisheries agriculture sector jeng jara loan nawai sak bai khangyapri karak nani bagoi economically strong nani bagoi sak thanai rokno jeng chubanai ARDD department ni hoite phainai fisheries department ni hoite phainai jara fisheries charge khaiwi sak bai thangni rang puja rang bidino karak khainai ni one sok khain fisheries department ni bisingti ari mani bisingti phaimanai pon walk talk rimani bisingti sak bai thangno rang biti mosbut khainai karak khainai hangke ARDD department chi khainai dei buchini Tripura jeng jotno saimani agriculture development ngya hangke chini economic development ngya hani bangai agriculture sector nang moi kuthung khainai ni hoite surup khai bagan khainai ni omhai loan nana ni bagai go jeng system khai tongo local ni rupuro o am chaine lupuro tomano samung khaiwi rang ajiwi manai omono basic idea nawi ni jeng MU signing Khulaikha tani ge jeng juda bank ro thangkhai ke je boroni system bai bomhai no loan ma bono naiwi si ma khai chini orong ge jeng system Khulaikha Northeast Finance Bank by jeng system Khulaikha chini Maharaja system Khulaikha nung nini am saibo nung bomono nawi nung rang puja ajai manai obo Tripura lukurok si one shot di ang omong bai si ani area wo byabostha khaiwi rang puja ajai manai boni bagai ang rang nangu khangke bono nahawi project chnadi je buinoro nini dupkathi chula snawi buinoro byabostha khaimana aro jaga dupkathi khainai je jaga nung moi kuthung khai kokia kaiwi si nung
I really appreciate that Tripura Tribal Area Development Council has given us this opportunity to have an MOU with them to open branches in the interior areas. And for opening of accounts, you can have all the accounts here like all other banks, all other commercial banks. Though this is named a small finance bank, Northeast Small Finance Bank, it is actually a regular sort of scheduled commercial bank with a mandate to do financial inclusion, for which the name is small finance. That we have to give finances up to 25 lakhs maximum to the people, for which the license is as named as small finance bank. Otherwise, you will get all the benefits here of our regular scheduled commercial bank. You can open a basic savings account without paying any money by simply giving your KYC papers, that your identification proof as well as your address proof. These are two essential documents you have to hand over. You can open business accounts with as minimum as only 5,000 rupees, where in other banks you have to give minimum 10,000 rupees. And you can apply and avail small loans for all livelihood generation activities, for agriculture, for weaving, for handicraft, for any livelihood generation activity, for piggery, for goatery, for fishery, for anything you can avail the loan from here. And Tripura Development Council has very kindly agreed to give interest subvention to these fresh borrowers also under the district council area. So that also people should avail that benefit. And all other, even commercial vehicle loans also you can apply. You can apply for any other loans. That's what is the case. And we'll be happy to serve you here with all sincerity. This is the first branch, and we are opening another 8 branches in the Tripura Development Council area. Yeah, in the Ttaadc area. So we'll be opening another 8 branches. The next branch will be Killa and in Kwtal. These 2 branches will be opened. So